Welcome again to YG's Cost Breakdown tool. Some other methods of unit price calculation. In the previous video about tender pricing of a retaining wall project, we had focused on preparation of standard unit prices for commonly found work items and organizing them according to the tender BOQ. In this video, we will see alternative methods of unit price calculation, including lump sum estimation, estimating based on area for items such as doors, windows, and grills, estimating different structural steel sections based on length, and combining two or more unit prices into a single rate.
As a general rule, civil work projects like our retaining wall example involve a small number of work items with large costs and thus can easily be handled by selecting work items and their unit rates from the standard unit price list. However, when we are dealing with a building project, the number of items in the BOQ will considerably increase, and preparing a standard cost breakdown page for each one will become time-consuming and inefficient. In the following section, a brief description of each method will be discussed, and to illustrate the recording steps for these non-standard estimates, we will add some items from each type in the ancillary work section of the retaining wall project. 1. The lump sum estimate. This method is useful when the cost components of the item are fairly straightforward or the nature of the item calls for outsourcing and a specialized subcontractor quotes for the complete rate for the supply and installation, thus there is no point in making detailed calculations. In such cases, we use the lump sum estimator to easily add up material price, the labor cost, overhead, and profit margin, and we are all done. The unit price for supply and installation of an elevator, a light fixture, or a J-bolt may be good examples. Two. Doors, windows, and metal grills. In a building construction BOQ, we are likely to come upon several doors and windows with the same cost per square meter of area but with differing sizes and thus different unit prices. Hence, we use this method to easily calculate and fix unit price of each element and include it in the project cost build-up. In addition to this, you can use YG's CBD linear estimator feature for doors and windows made of steel LTZ sections. This method, which is especially suitable when fabricating doors and windows on site, enables you to make detailed estimates of each door and window. You can include or exclude grill to the estimate, inspect the details by clicking on the Show Breakdown button, and if necessary export this estimate as the basis for per square meter cost for doors and windows in the data input page. All your assumptions for fixing the unit price will be shown on the cell comment. 3. Structural steel estimator. Although the usual practice is to quantify structural steel in kilograms, sometimes the BOQ may include members which are to be priced in linear meter or in pieces. In such cases, we activate the structural steel estimator, choose the type of section and provide dimensions of the section to be estimated, along with any special features such as holes or welds. The program estimates the item's unit price based on the structural steel cost we provided on the data input page. Four. Unit price combiner. To simplify quantification works, some BOQs include items which are a combination of two or more items. A typical example is complete roofing work, which includes eucalyptus members, roof purlins, and the roof cover. Using this method, existing unit prices can be combined into a single rate. In this example, we will establish the unit price of stone pavement on compacted selected material by combining two standard work items, namely, stone pavement and selected material fill. To do this, we activate the unit price combiner feature, select a reserve space, provide the work item name and other necessary data on the breakdown sheet. Thank you for your time, and goodbye, until we meet soon with a similar video.